Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, we are going to talk about Wave accounting tutorial for beginners. So as you can see, I just searched Wave on Google and you will end up over here. The first thing you would see, Wave accounting, which is Wave small business software. So as the name suggests, it's a software and once you click on that, you will end up over here. So, and obviously you can also search waveapps.com. So just remember that, right? So as you can see, we are at Wave accounting software right now. And first of all, what is Wave accounting and why would we need this, right? So as a small business owner, I would love to have someone to account my whole business things, right? Like, you know, payments and invoices and other checkout payments. So Wave accounting is a very user-friendly online accounting software, which is like to help, small businesses manage their finances. So it will actually simplify a lot of tasks like invoicing, payments, as you can see over here, accounting, payroll, advisors. So there's a lot of stuff it can actually do. So these are some key points over here, as you can see. So if you have a small business, you can easily take advantage of this, right? So the first thing you need to understand, there are some subtraction from free plan, which we are going to use in this tutorial. And we will talk about pricing at the end of this video. So just wait for it. And right now I'm going to sign up real quick. So let me show you how it's done. Just click on sign up for free, enter your email address or sign up with your Google. So I'm going to do that real quick. So once you start signing up for Wave accounting, the first step you need to do, as you can see, one of two, is to enter your name, obviously, to enter your business name and what your business does, right? So you will see all the industry over here. So you need to enter all these details for starter, right? And if you have multiple business, we can talk about this later on. And you can add multiple business once we reach in our dashboard. I will show you. So I'm going to fill this real quick. So once you done with your whole sign up options and everything, you will end up over here. This is the dashboard of Wave accounting. And as you can see, it's very user friendly. And on the left side, we have all the options like Launchpad, dashboard, sales, purchases, accounting, banking, payroll, reports, Wave advisors, and tax filing. And at the bottom, you will see integration and settings, which we are not going to talk about this video because this is for beginners, right? So right now on the left side, we can see whole options which we need for our businesses. And at the dashboard, like this name suggests, we can see all the things happening in your, obviously, once you end up doing your business over here, you will see all the cash flow over here, as you can see on your screen over here. So here you can also connect your own bank account or your credit card, as you can see. So this is very easy to understand. On the left side, we have all those options. After that, so like we have talked about this earlier, we can easily add multiple business. So whatever business name you have given to Wave account at the start, you will end up seeing that over here. Right now, I have blurred that. So once you click on this arrow, as you can see, it will pop up something like, all those names which you have already have on your business account over here. So what does that mean? That if you click on this, you will see all businesses over here. Whatever you have created new or the old ones, you can create your new business from over here and your old one would be over here. And the one you are using right now, you will see that as green tick over here. So you get the idea how it works. Like you can add multiple business also, not just one. So once you understand that and click on create a business, you will end up over here. This is where you are going to create your whole business, your new business if you want to create, right? So on the right side, we can add our company name. We can add our company, business type as we've done earlier, artists, photographers, consultants, or financial service, whatever you are going to do for your small business or business, right? You have your country, you can go either United States of America or Canada. Other than that, you cannot access Wave accounting. So just remember that. We have a business currency over here. You can choose either US dollar or Canadian dollars. We have our type of organization. So you get the idea how it works. These are very generic questions which we need to get and give answers to our Wave accounting software to create our new business. Once you're done with all of this, just click on save. So now we are looking at Launchpad. So if you go over on the Launchpad above dashboard, and if you click on that, you will end up over here. This is where, what does it mean? Like Launchpad, it would give you access whatever is necessary for your small business. So as you can see, professional invoicing, you want to create that, you can also create it from over here. It would take you to that page right away. No, no, you don't need to find over here. We have our better bookkeeping, and the last one is reliable payroll. You can pay employees and payroll taxes without complication. So let's try this one. So you get the idea. Once I click on this, on the left side you will see that it would take me over there like a launchpad, right? So once you click on this, and as you can see on the left side we are at payroll, and on the right side we have our employees at part-time, full-time, salaried, or hourly employees over here. Or you can add your contractors over here, like add independent contractor to pay them directly and generate the tax form. So you can also do that from over here. To do that, just click on add employee or add contractor. I'm just going to show you how it works. So just click on add employee. It will take you right over here, and here you can see you can add your employee name, home address, social security number, and date of birth, email, and other things which are necessary for our employees, right? Once you're done with this, you will end up over here. Here you can create your own bill. On the left side, you can just click on purchases, and at the bottom you will see bills. Once you click on that, you can create your own first bill, and click on that. It would take you right over here, and here you can see there's a lot of going on over here. So obviously it's very easy to understand like which vendor you are going to add. You can just click on this right away. You can add your bill date, due date, and purchase order, or notes, bill number, or currency. You get the idea how it works, right? And if you want to add your vendor, just click on this vendor and click on add new vendor. It would pop up something like this. You can add your vendor's name, email, first name, last name, and obviously currency. And you can add additional information if you want to add. Just click on add vendor, and it would add on your bill. After that, you can see at the bottom which item you are going to create. Like obviously you are going to create a bill, right? So you can also add item also. So click on this and click on add new product, and it will pop up something like similar as before, and enter your name, your expense category. If you have created, this is very different tutorial. If I will go for this, it would become a different tutorial. So I'm not going to go in expense category. And this one is price and obviously description. Once you click on add product, it would be added, and after that it would seem something like this. And if you see over here, we have a status over here which is unpaid. And once you click on record payment, if you you think that they have already paid, just click on record payment, and how they have uh, did a payment, like payment method, like bank payment or cash or check or credit card. How did they paid their bills, and a payment date, payment account. And if you want to add some memo or notes, you can also do that over here. And once you click on save, after that you will see something pop up like this: bill payment successful, 1400 paid, and you will see the status paid also over here. So you get the idea how it works, right? You don't need whole accountant things at your small business. You can use this obviously web accounting for your whole small business. So there are few things are left which I want to mention before we end this tutorial and we go for pricing. You can see we are at products and services right now over here, right? So if you're selling some apparel, you can add products over here. You can if you're selling some like courses, you can add courses over here. So you get the idea how products and services work. And there are few other things like invoice. You can create your invoice in your sales category. As you can see on the left side, we have our recurring invoices, checkout payments, and customer statements. Customers and product services are also over here. So you can create your invoices also over here, and they have created whole new customized all those stuff over here. As you can see, you can add your customer details over here and invoice number and etc, right? Other than that, we have our other things which are called banking. On the left side, we have our banking, connected accounts, payouts, and obviously insurance. You can see over here, you can also do that. So these are some few things which you need to understand for web accounting as a beginner, and how you can sign up, and what things you need to understand, and what things you are going to focus on. And the last thing which we are going to focus on, which is payment. Let me show you how many payment options are there. So as you can see, we are at waveapps.com, and on the top we can click on pricing, and you will end up over here. The first one, you can see 100% free invoicing, and you can click on see all features. You can see at the bottom what invoicing includes. You can use free accounting as well, pay per use payments, and monthly for all air, mobile receipt, payroll, and other things over here. But at the top you can see other plans over here, like payments plans over here. advisors plans, payroll plans, and mobile receipt plans. So there are a lot of some other things going on over here, and once you are here, like you will come to this website, you will see what goes according to your own business, right? So this is it. This is all you need to know how to use wave accounting software as a beginner and what things you need to focus on. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye and take care.